Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Today, tonight, or whenever you're watching this, we are presenting our winner for the Ratty Caddy giveaway. A lot of you commented, and a lot of you put a lot of really nice comments down on this video. I wanted to say thank you to you guys for not only saying those nice comments, but also for commenting and having a chance to possibly win this car, which is very, very cool and very, very exciting. So, as we normally do, we got our YouTube random comment picker selected. We filled it all out already. And as you guys see here, the wheel of fun is ready to be spun. So, let's see who won our car. Hang on. How the heck does this work? Oh, you pushed the middle. My bad. And our winner is Mr. Dan Self. So congratulations to Dan. You have 24 hours to claim your car. If not, we are going to spin it again, and our second person will have a chance to claim it if you do not. And our second winner for tonight is Radu Moons. So congratulations to you too. If our man Dan does not claim it, you're winning. You will be able to win this car. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining me and doing this giveaway. Congratulations to Dan and everybody who signed up for the giveaway. I would love to give you all cars, but sadly, we can only do one at a time right now. So, thank you again, guys. Congrats to Dan. Remember, you have 24 hours to claim it, or your friend here has a chance to win. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.